Aspen Trail has the most dynamic range of floor plan options to fit any camping style. With more standard features than its competitors and a focus on quality, value, and design, Aspen Trail delivers the best RV in its class. With a fully enclosed underbelly, all of your RV's vital functions are kept out of the elements, which helps to ensure critical lines don't freeze and that unforeseen bumps don't damage sensitive systems. Plus, this extra layer of protection means you can travel further into the year. At Dutchman, they're all about more. Starting with more space to get around the RV with an impressive 82 inches of interior height, so even your tallest family members won't need to worry about where they walk. Plus, when you expand the slide-outs, you'll find you have 6 feet of headroom to move about. The Aspen Trail features the only U-shaped dinette in its class that converts to a regular non-U dinette when you need it. This multi-function dinette configuration ensures you'll have space to enjoy every meal while offering a place to nap, play, or simply put your legs up. Forget RV kitchens of the past. With the seamless countertops and sink covers in these travel trailers, you'll have more than enough room to get around, cook up a storm, and serve the whole family a meal they'll remember. All the thrill of getting away combined with premium space and traditional comforts. That's what a true residential 60x80 queen-size bed brings to adventurers in our Aspen Trail travel trailers. This Aspen Trail is waiting for you at Sutton RV. Stock number 6183.